How to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily enable sound in Google Meet's screen share. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. On that note, let us dive right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Google Meet app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you open up your Meet, you will have to join a meeting or create a meeting in order to share a screen. As you can see, I have an existing meeting right here. I'm just going to rejoin here. But if you want, you can just go ahead and click on New and then create a new meeting. Now, once you tap on the meeting that you want to join, go ahead and tap this join option. And once you land on your meeting and you've successfully joined, then in that case, all you have to do is to screen share, tap on the three lines at the bottom, and then you have an option to share your screen. Just go ahead and tap on screen share, and you will see an option or a pop-up that says share your device's audio. So all you have to do is check on this box to make sure that it will also share your audio. Tap on continue, and you should be good to go. So just tap on start now and you'll be able to share your screen with the sound. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.